Okay, let's start with the big question that everybody has. Will this wind, if it comes in and it's really strong, will that impact the cherry blossoms?
I don't think wind at this stage is going to be an issue. The petals, for the most part, have not started emerging yet, or if they have, they're not far along. Even when the petals do come out, the earlier in the bloom, the stronger they are, the tighter they're holding on to those branches. So, if we were at peak bloom and we were 4 or 5 days in, the petals are particularly vulnerable, but we're still pretty far out at this point, so I don't think there's going to be any issue with the wind.
Okay, so short of, the trees toppling, like obviously a tree is a tree, but
Right.
you're saying if the trees stay up, they should be okay?
Yeah, I haven't seen, the forecast that sounds like it's gonna threaten the trees themselves. The blossoms at this point are not particularly vulnerable to wind.
And then while I've got you here, I think that's pretty much it for the wind issue. But while I've got you here, what is the current stage? I know we reached the always fun to say peduncle elongation. What does that mean, and how close are we to peak bloom?
Yeah, we're at stage 4 right now. Stage 6 is peak bloom, so we've got a couple more to go. Um, Cool temperatures right now, below average temperatures right now. That's going to slow the process down. We'll keep an eye on the end of this week. I think we're supposed to have upper 60s on Thursday, and see if that accelerates us to any great degree.
Can you remind me what your projected date is? I know you guys have already announced it, correct?
Yeah, projected for March 22nd to the 25th. Again, warm temperatures coming late this week. I think we're probably at this point we're focusing earlier on that 4 day window.
Great. I promised you it'd be quick. Anything else you want to say about the cherry blossoms?
Easy enough. I know. I think we covered it.
All right. And then in case somebody else is looking at the video, can you give us your full spelling of your name and your title over
Sure.
there?
Mike Litterst, Litterst, spokesperson for the National Mall.
Great. Thank you. And I'm sure I'll see you soon. Maybe when we get peak bloom in a few days.
Yeah. Good talking to you, Evan. Thanks.
All right. So long. Bye.
Bye.